Rajkot is a tier 2 city in western India in the Saurashtra region of Gujarat. According to the 2011 census, the city has a population of around 1.3 million, which is around 13 lakhs. As a rapidly urbanizing city faces tremendous challenges such as sprawl, unprecedented growth in private motor vehicles, and also the negative impacts of these trends, increasing congestion, increasing air quality deterioration, as well as road accidents and road fatalities.
Our overall vision is to have a public transport system which is well integrated. On the top of the hierarchy is our BRT system, which has to be well connected with the city bus system. For the last mile connectivity, it has to have a paratransit system in terms of auto rickshaw, and ultimately it also has to connect with the people who would like to walk or cycle around. Embark started with the study which they did for our auto rickshaw transport system, and on the basis of that study what we found out that there is an immense scope for improving our auto rickshaw system.
Rajkot has around 10,000 auto rickshaws according to official estimates, and to support the city government's auto rickshaw reform initiative, Embark India partnered with the city to promote the two key roles of auto rickshaws in our cities, which is one, to promote auto rickshaws as a feeder service to mass transport, and secondly, to also make auto rickshaws as a mode of choice for occasional trips.
And through tender process, the Nirmal Foundation was selected as the strategic partner for the project, and in July this year we started with the initial fleet of 50 auto rickshaws.
G-Auto is an organized auto rickshaw fleet service where people can call auto rickshaw and can get rickshaw on government decided meter rate.
A fleet auto rickshaw service essentially organizes the existing auto rickshaws into a brand, into an organized service, which can address some of the challenges associated with the unorganized sector.
बड़ा डिफरेंस मुझे ये लगा पंक्चुअलिटी, सोशल सिक्योरिटी। जनरल ऑटो करना है तो मुझे घर से चल के जाना पड़ता है 5 मिनट, रोड पे आना पड़ता है। जनरल ऑटो ढूंढने में 15-20 मिनट लग जाते हैं। मेरी बच्ची गई थी सूरत, उसकी ट्रेन परसों रात को 11 बजे आई, तो मैंने G-Auto में बुकिंग करके पंकज भाई को बोल दिया, तो मुझे कोई चिंता नहीं थी। उसकी ट्रेन रात को 11 बजे भी आई। तो
हम ऑटो ड्राइवर्स को पहले भाड़ा कंफर्म करना पड़ता है, उसके बाद ऑटो में पैसेंजर बिठाना पड़ता है। और इसमें G-Auto में क्या है, मीटर के हिसाब से चलते हैं, सही हिसाब से चलते हैं, उसमें कुछ कंफर्म नहीं करना पड़ता है।
એટલે મારા સાસુ છે એને ગાદી ફાટી ગઈ છે મણકાની બંને, એટલે અમે G-Autoની સગવડ માટે બોલાવીએ છીએ। મારે ને મારા સાસુને જવું હોય એટલે અમે આ બોલાવી લઈએ છીએ, એટલે અમને આ બહુ સારું અને સરળ પડે છે।
तो लगभग अभी तक 5 महीने से मैं स्टार्ट हुआ हूँ। कभी भी G-Auto में जो बैठे हो G-Auto में बैठेंगे, दूसरी गाड़ी में कभी भी नहीं जाएंगे।
It's a service with smile, it's a service with safety, and it's a service with utmost courtesy.
More efficient, more reliable, more safe, and at the same time more environment friendly, better operating efficiencies to the auto rickshaw drivers.
The public sector and the private sector have come together with shared responsibilities, implemented a service which is bringing in improvements for the citizens of Rajkot. So it demonstrates the commitment of the city and what a well thought out partnership can bring. We at Embark, through this project, are helping make sustainable transport a reality in cities.